Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com, making this small video about gold. So let's get started here. I've been making gold videos all along for months and months now, showing the same charts. So I'm gonna just show the same charts again, but very fast. So this is the monthly chart I made, and according to the Elliott wave, this was the end of wave 4, big wave 4, right? And wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5 was underway, is still underway, and it will probably finish somewhere here. So now out of this wave 5, what happened is that, each wave, like 1, 3, and 5, they are impulse wave and have 5 sub waves, like this one, 1, 3, 5. So this is the one that we are making right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it is going to be unfolding. So what's happening here right now so far? So we started to go to the upside. This is a monthly chart, by the way, right? And then let me see. What happened? No. This is, let me see. Okay. So now on the weekly chart, you can see that we were here. Wave 1 and 2, wave 3, ABC, wave 4. So I said, if this ends here, then we will go up for wave 5. So we started to go up for the wave 5. Now, this is how I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, because I don't want to make the video long. So we went up there. So I said, we're going to drop to 1802 and then go to the upside. And these are the highs also in check. So what happened? It started to go up, and then I placed this yellow band saying that this might stop the move. If not, if we break this, then we go to the upside. If this will stop the move, then we may drop. So we start dropping. We hit that and we start dropping. So I said, okay, now it's going to drop to 1877 from here, 1877. So it came very close, then start to bounce, then start to came down and came very, very close. I think it's like 1880 or 85, something like that. And then I made another chart, which was this on the 16th of August, when it was almost there, right? So it started to bounce and then came back again. 1877 was in question. So we said, look for a bounce above 1877. And then what happened to this chart so far? It started to bounce today, or probably yesterday. So you can see that this is what the chart is now, right? So this is the chart I made, and you can see now we have a bullish candle bouncing from the low, and right now it is messing around with 1920. Now on the weekly chart, you can't see what the heck is happening here, right? And how you get in, how do you make the trade? So if you look at a little bit smaller time frame, for example, my 80-minute, forget about the 80-minute chart. My 40-minute chart, I have Elliott wave count very, very perfect, which is this. So this is the 1877. I was expecting that it will bounce above this. So 1892, it touched a couple of times here and then started to go to the upside. Now, this is wave 1, 2, and today what happened is this bounced from here, exactly from 1892, finishing wave 2 here. It started to bounce straight up to 1920. And it's a perfect by the book waves so far. This is 78% of wave 1. Wave 2 is 78% of wave 1. And then this wave 3 is exactly 161% of wave 1. And now what we need a 38% retracement for wave 4, followed by, again, wave 5 to the upside, just like, well, here, just like this diagram here. So wave 1 and 2, we have this small wave 1, 2. Then wave 3, then we need wave 4, for wave 4, 38%, and then we will go for wave 5. Okay. On a bigger picture, you can see that this is what usually happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Right. So we are finishing this wave 3 now. We are like 1, 2, 3. We need wave 4 and then wave 5. Then we will come down for wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. ABC, sorry. So what is happening now is this. Wave 1, 2, 3. Then we will go for wave 4 and wave 5. That will finishing wave 1, followed by ABC correction. So pay attention to that. And I just want to show you that my entry system, if you see that from 1892 today, this is all today, this big move happened today. from last night to now. Right now it's 1:27 a.m. So not today. I mean, I'm talking about Wednesday. Now it's Thursday starting already. But this is the Wednesday work. But look, the entry, the entries that gave the system gave the entries. Let me show it to you. This is the chart, and this is my entry chart. And this is where you see this line here. This is 1892. And it started to bounce. It went up, came back. And now from here, it started to bounce. And look how this is 1920 right there. So you see that this is, forget about this here. This is just words, right? So now, see, this is the entry, 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 entry. Straight up to, this is wave 3, powerful wave, straight up to 1920. Now I'm expecting that maybe it's going to drop from there and go for wave 4. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, whenever. So I'm going to bypass now. The beauty is that I missed the whole thing because I was so busy on one-on-one, and I told my son to set up on other computer, which he did. He went to sleep, start playing his Fortnite game, stupid game. So, and then that's what happened today. Yeah. So, you know, you snooze, you lose, right? Simple as that. So yeah, this time I lost, but you see, after wave 4, when wave 5 is gonna start, I'm gonna not only trade that 5 for wave 5, but for missing wave 3. I'll just increase my lot size and cover the whole everything. So yeah, so far very nice count, very perfect by the book, going to the upside. By the way, my count now for going to the upside here, I was counting like wave 1 to the no. Now I think that this is A, B, C, A, and then this is A, B, C, B, and now wave C will come in wave 5 waves. Now I know that, you know, theoretically, the theory says that wave 5 also comes in 5 waves, but practically, my experience is that wave 5 oftentimes comes in 3 waves. So this could be easy, you know, the phenomena is called, we have 535 or 335. So this is 335. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe 333, who knows, right? But anyway, we are going up now. And if you break 1920, obviously we're going to go to the upside. So we're going to break this and then come back testing 1920 for wave 2. Right, followed by wave 3, maybe all the way here to 2074, then wave 4 to the downside, then wave 5 all the way there. Let's see what happens. Okay, today this is not today's dead, buddy. What's up? So trade accordingly. This is well, now it's 24 actually, so I'm gonna type 24th, right? And 24th already started. So this is how this wave C will be coming up to the upside. Am I recording this? Yeah, okay. Sometimes I forget, man. Okay, this would be wave. Come on, man. C. That's what I think. Yeah, you know, different people have different opinion, definitely. No problem whatsoever. All right. So yeah, so far so good. And like I said, that if you want to learn the Elliott wave and you might get my system and all of that, my entry system, right? This is how you wait for a turn. And then when the turn happens, this is how it gives you the entries. So the same thing is going to happen after wave 4 finish. Wave 5, I will get in, I will take the trades, and I'll show you how I do it, my entries, right? So like I said, that if you want the system, you want to learn, you can go on my website. That's an old name. The new name is creativetradingsystems.com. And, you know, over there, you can subscribe monthly, yearly, whatever. Or if you want to learn the whole business, the whole trading system, and then learn harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, trend line, support resistance, and Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, you know, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci expansion, Fibonacci extension, all of those different techniques, then just sign up for one-on-one and then take it from there. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be aware of those phony and fake Telegram channels that are running under my name. Okay. There are a couple of guys, I don't know who and when, but I know exactly that these people are sitting in Nigeria because I located the IP address. So they are running Telegram channels. They are fake. They are under my YouTube channel name, which is My Forex Magic Wave. Even they are using even my picture there on those Telegrams. So they are not mine. Please, everybody be aware of that. My Telegram channel is different. This is the name of my Telegram channel, Creative Trading System. That's it. That's the only channel I have, and it is only for subscribers. Okay. So be careful, be aware of this fraud going on. And if you want to join me in any way, please email me. My email is under all my videos, which is myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. First, talk to me, and then join. Do not join because like I said, that I caught 2 channels so far, Telegram channels, which are under my name with my pictures, but they're not mine. So, and God knows how many others are running, right? So talk to me. You know how I talk, how my voice, right, and all of that. So I will, have a Zoom meeting and then make sure that that's me before you join. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. Right. Okay. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. What do I do? What do I do here? Stop recording.